kids, I'm out here in Warren Woods, and Paisley and I decided to make an obstacle course. So we are balancing on trees, we're jumping over things, we're crawling under, we're climbing up and going around. It's a whole lot of fun, a great way to stay active and to enjoy nature. I hope that you're getting outside and staying healthy. I'm gonna go over this log. I wonder what Paisley is gonna do. Come on, Paisley. Come on. Come on. Here she comes. Balancing on a log. Paisley can balance on a log too. Paisley, come. Good girl. Paisley could go through, but I'm gonna go over. I could climb up this dirt hill. The stairs. Around this tree. Come on. Stepping stones. I'm going to jump over. I think we can both fit under this one. Come on, Paisley. Good thing you were on a leash, huh? Yeah.